Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica and I'm a big lover of makeup, so if you want to see more reviews, looks and more fun videos, don't forget to subscribe. In today's video we are creating this eye look using the new matte obsession from Huda Beauty, so if you are curious about that, please keep on watching. Hi guys, so today we are gonna do a look with the new matte obsession from Huda Beauty. This is the cool one and I will pop some swatches on the screen. I did them yesterday and I'm so curious about this palette, and as you can see I do have pink hair right now. You will see a bunch of videos with me with blonde hair because I did pre-film a lot, but today I'm filming this and I will try my best to upload it today because I want to get this review up faster. It's not a review, a first impression. But I really like this palette, it looks really beautiful, and these two shades on top in here, they are cream to powder, so I am very excited about that. I will link down below everything that I have on my face, but don't judge my face makeup too much because I just got back from work. So I did wear this makeup for about 11 hours or something like that, so it doesn't look the best, but I really wanted to film this review today, and I am priming the lids with the Sigma Beauty eye primer. It is my favorite one, and we will do a full matte look, so I will only use this palette. I really wanted a 9 pen from Huda, but all other color stories were not perfect for me. This one looks amazing, I really like it. So I really want to put this one as an inner corner highlight. So the best idea I think it is to start with one of these cream to powders and build it on top. I think we can build something very beautifully like that. So I will use this one in the corner. Do we have names as well? I don't see names, but the third one in the corner. I'm gonna use my favorite brush, or one of my favorites. This is the E25 from Sigma, and we are gonna take this cream to powder and put it in here into the outer edge. It is very creamy and it is pigmented, so it looks like the color that it is in the pan, so I am very happy. I'm gonna blend it into the crease a bit as well. Next, I'm gonna take this one and blend the edges, the first shade in the palette, and just blend the edges a bit. It is a bit warmer. I'm just placing it at the edge and just blending a bit with the tip of the brush. I had previously the Mercury Retrograde palette and I loved that palette. It is a pretty neutral palette. It has some pops, but mainly it is a neutral palette, but I did really like it. I think Huda is doing an amazing job with neutrals, but for colors I saw from some reviews that they are not the best. I'm gonna take the other cream to powder and put that on the lower lash. I really wanted to buy the very colorful palettes from Huda, but I saw a review and I decided to just skip it because it was not the best quality. I'm gonna take just the clean side of this brush. This is a Sigma brush from a palette, and just blend the edges with no additional pigment. I'm taking a Refer number 12 and I will take the darkest shade in the palette, and let's see how this one looks. It is very pigmented and it can add some dimension, so that is great. I will just blend it a bit in this corner. I'm gonna blend just a bit more with the cream to powder, just a bit on the edges of this dark plummy shade, and they are blending just so easily. And like I said, Huda knows how to do some neutral shades, so these are really beautiful. And I'm gonna use the same brush for the lower lash and use this one. It seems like a darker version of the color that we just placed on the lower lash, and I'm gonna put it just on top. I really love the Natasha Denona's formula that is a cream to powder. It works wonderful for building and it adds some dimension. It's just grabbing any pigment that these matte shades have, and it's a really nice formula to have in a palette. And this one seems pretty good as well, but again, it is a neutral shade, so usually neutral shades are just easier to do. I really like how this looks. It's very smooth and it looks really good. I will apply the middle shade on my lid in here, and then we are gonna apply this from this corner on the inner corner. So let's start with the pink middle shade, and I'm gonna put that right in here and a bit into the crease and a bit on top of the darker shade, and we are gonna blend them just a bit. I think this palette will be very nice for any type of cut creases, because you can put just a bit of concealer down and any of these lighter mattes right on top, and we can easily do a full matte cut crease. I kinda did without the concealer. And lastly, with a pencil brush, I am taking the lightest color, and let's see if this is light enough for me, at least, to be an inner corner highlight. This shade is pretty powdery, but it is pigmented, so I am not mad, and I am blending just in here. I really love putting my inner corner highlight right in here. It's just lifting the inner corner, and I really enjoy that. And I think this is the look. I really like it. I will add some mascara and some lashes, and I'll be right back and we will just check this eye look a bit closer. Okay, so this is the final look. Again, please don't judge my skin too badly. Like I said, I did wear this makeup for 10 plus hours, and I put some lashes on. This is the Lush Beauty in the style Posh. I really love them. They are so stunning. And yeah, overall this looks really great, and it was so easy to create. And I forgot to mention that I applied just a bit of the Project Pen lip gloss, because the other one was a bit too peachy, but I will put them in the description box. I'll put them both in the description box. So this looks amazing. It was very easy to create, and it is pigmented. It looks really nice. I really like this palette. It is very cute, very small, a curated color story, and I really like it. So it is a thumbs up for me, and I will of course use it a lot more and include it in a speed review, but so far I really enjoy it. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.